Okay, I'm taking this video of the device. You can see the solar panel. Put some Velcro on there. Got the buttons, LEDs. Here's the pin header. Let me pop this out real quick. Here's the messy job with soldering. Let's put it back in, show you how it works. Get that aligned. There we go. Put that back on here. Okay, so right now this is the main menu. LED's off, that's the run menu. If we hit the run button, it'll run it, but there's no program loaded right now, so that's not going to work. The next one is how we get into the byte mode of the program byte. So if we hit toggle for select, now we're in byte mode. If the byte we're currently at is a number, it'll be the 0. If it's a keyword, it'll be 1. This is an empty program. It's all zeros, so there's nothing there. Let's hit the save button to go back to the main menu. Now we're back to the main menu. If we hit the save button in the main menu, it'll blink out the program, so we can kind of see what's in there, numbers or keywords. There's nothing in there, so it's just going to blink once. While we're in the main menu, if you hit the run button, that'll run the program that's currently saved into the program. The next setting, that's to load from the EEPROM. Basically, if you want to load a program, you hit toggle to select, and then this would be program 0, program 1, program 2. There's only three slots to save an entire program in the EEPROM. So we'll hit the save to go back. We don't want to load anything yet. To save to the EEPROM, now we're in the main menu. It'll be this one. Hit toggle. Say we want to save to program slot 0. Hit toggle there. We don't want to save it yet. What we want to do is go back to byte mode. Hit toggle. Now we're in byte mode. This is byte 0, byte 1, byte 2. Let's write a quick program. So we want to edit the first byte. We'll hit toggle. Now we're in bit mode, so you can see we got bit 0, bit 1, bit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's edit this one. Here's our keywords. What we want to write. Let's write a really simple blink program. So first we want to make our LED. Let's make LED 1 high, which would be -45, 1101, 0011. So let's put this in here. 1101. What was that again? 0011. 0011. And while you're in bit mode, if you want to see what the entire byte is, blink it out, you can hit the run button. That looks good, so we hit save, go back to byte mode, move on to the next byte. Let's do, so the LED is high. Let's do a sleep. So we'll do sleep 1, would be negative 111, 1001, 0001. Edit it, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Just double check that. If you get one bit off, you might end up with an error. So it should be the top one there. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, cool. Save that. Go to the next one. So right now we have LED high, sleep 1. Now we want to drop the LED low. Where is that? LED low be negative 48, 1001, 0000. That should be pretty easy. And while you're in byte mode, you can also hit the run button to blink. So if you're not sure, you don't want to go in and edit it. And so we know we're on a empty byte, which is just a 0. So let's edit this one. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, save that. Now let's do another. I'm not going to show you the code on the sheet because it's the same as the last sleep. We're just going to sleep a second again, which 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Oops, okay, I messed up. Let's go back. Somewhere in here I skipped a byte, so we got 1, 0. That should be there we go. Let's blink this out. It should be 1001, 0001, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Save that. So now we have LED high, sleep 1, LED low, sleep 1. So now let's add a loop. The next one. So we're going to do the loop that just loops infinitely, which would be 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. These are for looping if you want to loop a certain amount of times without using a condition. We're checking two different things. You can just say, hey, whatever stored in register 1, whatever that number is, loop that amount of times. But we're just going to do the negative 96, which will just loop every time we get to it. So it's going to be, just check this byte real quick. Okay, yeah, that's empty. We're in the right spot. So we're going to edit this and do 1, 0, 1, 0. The rest are zeros. So just save that. Let's just check it. Okay, now let's, we got our program in. Let's go out of the menu, go to the run. Let's just hit run, because if you hit run anywhere in the main menu, it'll launch the program. So it should just blink the LED on for 1 second, off for 1 second, unless I made a mistake. Here we go. Alright, looks like I made a mistake. So, oh, I think I know what I did. think that I basically told it to, oh yeah, instead of telling it to turn LED 1 off, I told it to turn LED 0 off. So if the program's running, you want to end it, you just hit the run button again, that'll end the program. So let's go back into byte mode. So it should be the 3rd byte. Okay, so when you run a program, it doesn't reset your position in the program as far as editing, so you got to keep that in mind. So we're byte 0, we should be on byte 2. Let's blink this out. We should have put 11010010, and I think I put, yeah, if the last 4 are zeros on this, then I was telling it to turn LED 0 off, which we didn't have on. So yep, that's the case. Let's turn this back on. Go into bit mode. So we just need to toggle the second to last bit to a 1. Save that. Get out of here. Let's hit run again, and it should start blinking. There we go. That is a blink program in TGRK on the tiny bit machine. So let's stop this program. Let's say we want to save it to EEPROM. Let's hit, let's go to save, toggle. Let's save it to slot 0. Whoops. Okay, we hit toggle again. Hold on. Okay, let's try this again. Go to save. Let's save it to slot 0. There we go. It should blink a couple times. Twice before and twice after it saves if it works. Okay, so now we have that program saved into slot 0. Let's just see if it's saved real quick to verify the, so we turned it off here with the switch. Now let's turn it back on. Alright, so let's go and load it up. This is our load. Okay, now we're going to load from slot 0. Let's go back. Now we see we have a program in there. Let's hit run again. This button's kind of sticking. I think that, there we go. There we go. That's the saving and loading to EEPROM. So let's just close this out. I think I need to push this in a little further. Okay, I need to adjust that. But if you go to the run, I have a built-in program here. You go to run 1 and you hit that. That'll blink out the 1s for the volts and the 0s for the decimal point of the volts. So I'm guessing we're hanging at about 3.4 volts or something right now. Let's see. Okay, we're at 2.5. So yeah, it's been using it for a little while. So I'm going to turn this thing off, go put it out in the sun, let it charge up, and I'll check back in a minute and let you guys know how long it took to charge up. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes. Let me bring this over in the shade so we can see the LED better. Let's turn this thing on. Go to the run. See what the voltage is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.2, 5.3, 4, 5.4 volts. It'll settle. Usually settles to about 5.2 after a little while. But yeah, that's the charging.